All right, welcome back, everybody. This is Synergy, and you can find us at synergythefuture.com. And in this episode, we're going over assets and building wealth. In uncertain times, traditional wealth building strategies often fail. And we're going to show physical assets, cash flow generators, and alternative investments to show how they can protect and grow you in an economic downturn. So, physical assets, it's the new currency, probably a better currency if you want to grow your wealth big. Want to buy land you can produce something on, food, energy, and oil, windmills, I don't know, geothermal, or resources. What resources? Recession proof income. Resources. What other Oh, yeah. I grow some other types of plants. Hemp. Hemp is very strong. Is it a fiber? Hemp is strong. Is it stronger than steel? I think I read something like that. Anyway, precious metals, gold and silver for sure is a good currency, or it's a good investment, especially when digital systems fail. I wonder, in an apocalypse, will gold and silver still be valuable? An apocalypse where, like, the other the central banking system is no more. I don't know. Essential goods, items people need regardless of economic conditions before valuable trade commodities. All right, why assets matter. Protection, shield wealth from inflation and market crashes. Inflation is one of those. Yeah, it's a negative wonder, and I mean, is inflation, like, what really is inflation? Like, it's like it's alive, right? It's like a monster, right? It's like, does it need to be? If prices just keep going up and up and up year over year over year, but is that just from the central banking system? Is it just some countries have different inflations? Like, what is going on with inflation? Like, can someone explain it to me? Does it does it have to be, and why does it have to be? Anyway, moving on. Exchangeability. trade value, regardless of banking system status, historical reliability, proven performance through centuries of economic cycles. Cla- Cash flow generating assets, rental properties. This rental properties is something that is like, I want to do it, but it's like, how do you do it? How do I do it? Maybe one day I'll figure it out. But you get a monthly cash flow, provides stability during a job market disruption. Tenants pay the mortgage while building equity. Business ownership, dividends from profitable companies generate income without daily work. Partial ownership reduces individual risk exposure. Royalties and licensing. Intellectual property pays ongoing income for decades and decades. Create once, profit repeatedly with minimal maintenance. Like if you write a hit song, multiple hit songs, and you've you've gotten you've what's the word? You've dealt the right deal, or you've made the right deals, then be your royalties. Building financial independence, acquire assets, of course, purchase income producing investments. Yes, yes, stocks, bonds, real estate, businesses. Generate cash flow, collect regular payments from assets, reinvest profits, use income to purchase additional assets, and achieve freedom. Reduce dependence on traditional employment. That's what we're all trying to do here. Alternative investment opportunities, peer to peer lending. We talked about peer to peer lending here before. It's one of my favorite. It's one of my favorite happenings, deals. One of my favorite activities that goes on in the world. Higher returns in banks are lending directly to creditworthy borrowers. There's a file cost. Many small loans to reduce risk. Cryptocurrency mining, hardware investments generate digital currency and revenues automatically. Automatically. Energy costs and equipment depreciation must be calculated. Community supported agriculture, investing local food production ensures guaranteed returns and food security. This is another idea that I like, growing food for the community. For the community, and you have Especially when you have multiple people growing food and you got plenty of food. And this is like a community that, a community of people that you pretty much know everybody in the community because it's close family, friends of the family, and you all together. You all have been brought together to be a community, a true community. You've got, you've all bought the land together, and it's golden. It's excellent. Building wealth outside traditional systems, reduce bank dependency, minimize exposure to financial institutions that may freeze your assets. That's a got to be like, like, oh man, it's got to be infuriating, really, especially when you got a lot, a lot of money, and the bank just says, you can't use this money. Well, it's gotta be terrible. Create direct relationships, build networks with producers, consumers, and other investors. Develop practical skills. Learn abilities that generate value regardless of economic conditions. And those skills could be anything. It could be art, could be crafts, could be swordsmithing, all kinds of stuff. Because you can produce things that people want to buy. Build a community resilience, strengthen local economic systems that can withstand global disruption. So we do have a PDF. It's free. And we're working on building some other free resources coming up in a few short days on quantum, building a quantum business. And we do have a $47 ebook, Quantum for Entrepreneurs. And those links are in the description. Okay, action plan. Another action plan. Assess current assets, evaluate your portfolio for vulnerabilities to economic chaos. Identify dependencies on unstable systems within your portfolio and stuff. Diversify into physical assets, allocate resources to tangible wealth stores. Start with precious metals and essential goods. Build cash flow streams, invest in assets that generate regular income. So just, kind of like a salary, it's you can predict where you're gonna make every day, every week, every month. Reinvest proceeds to accelerate wealth building. Explore explore alternative investments Research opportunities outside traditional financial systems. Start small to gain experience. All right. So you can watch more of our videos right up above. Right now, we mostly have a playlist of videos on a future world. This one, probably go and finance something or another. But we appreciate you watching, listening, and we'll see you in the next one.